Okay, so these are the new sustainable collectibles.
Are you zoomed in?
What?
Are you zoomed in?
No, I'm on 1. Do you want me to do 5? I could do 0.5.
It just looks so zoomed in.
Alright, so this is the new sustainable collectibles.
Okay,
They got...
Just do it vertically.
No. Okay, touch the screen.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna get the 2.
So you're talking.
Yeah. So, tap the card. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. Oh. Is that it? Oh. They just start falling. Okay. So yeah, does it say which ones they are?
They're hard.
You want to open?
Oh, you sleeping? You want them?
Yeah, I'll hold the card for a minute. You want to open one at a time? Or not?
You want this one or this one?
Try to open it without hurting the box.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. Guys, this is difficult. How do I get it?
You want one?
Okay, okay.
No, you don't. No more. You
Okay.
can't play with them. You want
Okay, let me get the next ones. I give up.
Okay. Alright, so we have to get 3 sets because we have to get it for Jenny. And Abby wants her own set. So we'll get these 3 sets. Did you purchase it? Yeah. It didn't say done. Do touch to purchase. Touch to purchase.
I just touched it with the card.
Okay, it's taking a minute. I don't know what's going on. Alright, we're outside. Apparently the boxes are impossible to open
I'm trying, like, without ripping it open.
without ruining the box. Okay. And then I think it just sets on the thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so hold.
Okay.
Just
Oh my god, it's so cute. It's hard. I didn't expect it to be so
okay, so that is the lion. Super cute.
super cute.
Super cute.
Okay. Hold on. Put it back in here. And now we know which one's mine. The one that's like have the beat of it open. I hurt my finger open.
I hope you didn't get a paper cut.
Look, it's like. Okay. Goodbye. Why is this neck back?
Pop out, girl. Still fighting.
Back in here.
And the giraffe.
It's neck's back.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Like it can break so easily. Oh, I kind of broke it, but it's okay.
You broke it?
It's okay.
Alright.
Just a little bit. I broke the ear.
Super cute.
It's cute.